In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Devotional Bible app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're encountering any challenge while trying to install this app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, go back to your Google Play Store app. So I'll go to mine here, and you want to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail before you download your app. However, if you're still unable while logged in, then tap on your profile icon here and go down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences and then go to app download preference. Choose this first option over any network to ensure with this on, you'll be able to download apps. And now if you go to Play Store and activate search and search for Devotional Bible app. Now here's our app. Let's try and see if we can install it. I'll tap on install. As you can see, I'm now able to download and install this app. But should you still face a challenge at this point, then you want to check and then see that you have enough space on your phone. If you don't have enough space on your phone, then free up space by deleting unwanted apps or files such as images and videos that you no longer need. So let me know if you were able to fix this. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.